Russia's armored vehicles have a lot of firepower, which makes them ticking time bombs on the front line when they are loaded full of ammunition, as they have thin armor, letting most of Ukraine's weapon system to pierce into the ammunition, with Ukraine's FPV drones being able to chase down the vehicle as seen here, making the threat and vulnerability even worse, letting the drone's warhead to penetrate, causing the ammunition to explode, making the BMP to disappear, destroying another of Russia's armored vehicles, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.